Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the first unboxing video. I wanted to start a little bit smaller because it's, my first one. So let's just get into it. Hello, we just wanted to say please like and subscribe. Yay! So I will be starting with Hatchimals. I think this is I didn't know that Hatchimals could come in like stars. I just thought they would come in eggs. Why is this? Okay. I can't open it. I opened it. Now ready to see what's inside. It's an egg. Look at how pretty that is. Let's look at the collector's guide and see which ones we can get because I want to see which one I want. So this is taking a little bit to open. That's fine. Ooh, what do we have here? Oh, these are nice. That's cool. Look at that kitty cat. Look at how pretty it is. Okay, let's open the egg. I think you have to... No, let's just try to... I think you have to take it off. Is that how you have to do it, do you think? Here, is there instructions? Oh, rub it now. Oh, it's so sticky. So... It's a fuzzy bunny cake! Look at how cute that is! Oh, it's a fuzzy bunny cake with some butterfly wings. That is so cute. Let's get this out of the way. Now it's time to... Okay, so wait. I need to go get a pen to check which one I got. I got my cute little bunny pen. Oh, and also, I have a new set. Look at that. I was on the newspaper. Oh, so cool. So let's see which one I got. Doesn't look like it's any from on this side, so let's flip it over. Aha. This one right here. Let's put a check side. Oh, let's put a check up here. Okay, there we go. I checked it off. Now, let's move on to puppy houses. So the first one I'm going to be doing, I'm going to do this one. If you haven't seen my Q&A video, you'll know that these are my favorite toys, but they might change because, I'm unboxing the toys today. I've never unboxed one of these. I've never unboxed, one of those, so. I'm scared because I already have one from the series, so I'm scared if I'll get a duplicate. But if I do, then whatever. I can just say they're twins, so. Twins or siblings or something. Ooh, I see. Okay, so I have the collector's guide. Currently, I have the black lab. So let's put that there. They're candy. This is so adorable. Look at that. That is so cute. Let's put it in its little cage. What should we name it? How about Rubble? Do you like the name Rubble? I think it's the Sharpie. I'm going to name it Rubble. Do you think Rubble's a good name for him? Do you think? Comment down below a name for this one. So, I'm just going to put it back in. Okay, this one I noticed the thing is different. Oh, these two are the same, but these two are... And I see a little green blind bag thing, so I'm thinking maybe this one's like an exclusive one or something. So let's hope it's not the Sharpie or the Black Lab. Let's take out the bones. I believe this is the Shiba Inu. I'm not sure. Wait, let's check off the Black Lab, Shiba Inu, and Sharpie. I think that's how you say it. Comment down below if I'm saying it wrong. So I have the Black Lab, Sharpie, and Shiba. So I have two more. Hopefully I get a Dutch Hund, Poodle, or Boston Terrier. Comment down below a name for this one too. Ooh, which cage is it? Okay, it's this cage. Oh, here's another collector's guide. I don't need that. Put it in its cage. Next one. Let's hope this isn't a duplicate. because if it was, I could just say it's a twin. It doesn't really matter. But I hope it's not. Oh, so can't take the stupid sticker off. Oh, there we go. Oh, I think it's not a duplicate. Oh, nope, that's not a duplicate. It's the Dutch Hund. Look at how cute that guy is. Comment down below a name for this one, too. I want to know names for all. Okay, this is the last puppy house. Let's hope it's not the Black Lab. Let's hope it's the Poodle or the Boston Terrier. Because I don't really jive for... Well, I don't really go for twins. I'd rather just have... It's a twin. Whatever. It's a twin, but it's still cute. Okay, that's a twin, but maybe I can give it to one of my friends or something. But that's fine. That's fine. It's a twin! Yay! So, I'm going to clean this all up real quickly. Because time for the grand finale. I've never opened one of these before, so I can't open this. I think what you have to do next is... Oh. There we go. So now I have a bunch of little orange peels. So let's open first one. Let's start with this one. Let's see which one it is. Hopefully this one has the checklist on it. Oh, it does! Beef stew. Okay, there's a checklist. So I'm gonna save the checking off for last though, because I don't want to like stop after everything. So I got a beef stew for the first one. That's pretty nice. I've never actually had beef stew before. I got a basket! So I'm gonna build this. I'll show you guys when I'm done. Okay, all done that. Next orange peel. Let's see what we get. Wet ones. Sensitive skin. Let's see what we get in this little orange peel. I didn't even open it all the way though. It's Warhead Super Sour Spray Candy. That actually looks kind of good. So, last but not least, the last orange peel. And the toughest one. What? Pure Silk Spa Therapy Coconut. Okay. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I got 5 surprises. So let's put this in the jar. So that is it for this week's video. Make sure to comment down little names for these little puppy guys. And like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments if you want another unboxing video. Bye! See you next time!